Hi, let me teach you how to make a crossover wiring cable.
First, let us know what would be the materials to be used. We are going to use the RJ45 or register jack, Ethernet cable, crimping tool, and also wire stripper. First, we need to use the Ethernet cable and we need to strip the outer layer, which is the jacket, using a wire stripper. On using the wire stripper, you need to insert the Ethernet cable on the wire stripper and you need to turn the wire stripper around the Ethernet cable. And next, you need to take the outer layer, which is the jacket, so that you can see the wire inside it. After you take the outer layer, which is the jacket, as you can see, there is a white thingy inside it and you need to cut it out. After that, you have to separate the strands of wire so that you can arrange it in order. After that, you need to arrange the strands of wires in their color arrangement. So the color arrangement is white-green, green, orange-white, blue, blue-white, orange, brown-white, and brown. After that, you need to use the crimping tool and cut the edge of the wires so that it can be equal. And now that it is equal, you need to use the RJ45 and enter the strands of wires inside it. And after that, you need to use the crimping tool again and use the upper one and enter the RJ45 inside it and crimp it. And now, let's do the other side, but the arrangement of colors is different than the first one. On doing the other side, you need to repeat what you've done on the first side. The arrangement of color is orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, and brown. The next thing you need to do is to cut the edge of the wire so that it can be equal. Next, you need to put the wire inside the RJ45. And lastly, you need to crimp it. And there you go. You have a crossover wiring cable.